Hey, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So as you know that DJI Air 3 and DJI Mini 4 Pro were launched in 2023, and these drones got a lot of love from people because of its amazing video quality. So here we have DJI Air 3 and DJI Mini 4 Pro with us today. So here we are going to do the hand-to-hand comparison between these two drones video quality in the night mode. So you guys know that DJI Mini 4 Pro costs around 1,25,000 in India and Air 3 costs around 1,65,000 in India. Both these drones have identical camera sensor that is 0.8 inch, so people think that video quality is same for both of these drones, but the camera lens that is being used on both of these drones are completely different. So we are going to see a difference in the video quality, and these drones have the capability to shoot 4K 100 fps and also have the dedicated night mode. But in this video we are going to fly our drone on 4K 30 fps in the auto mode so that we can get a detailed comparison how it performs in the normal mode. So we are going to fly them in 4K 30 fps. See the details of the video that we can get in the night mode with Air 3 and DJI Mini 4 Pro. So guys, I'm not going to add any LUTs or filters onto the video to make them look better. Whatever comparison we are going to make with the videos, those are going to be a raw videos from DJI Air 3 and Mini 4 Pro. So probably we will be able to get a best comparison video here. So let's check out. Here is the video. You can see it's straight from DJI Air 3 with a 4K 30 fps. When we zoom it 200% or 400%, the details seems to be very perfect and the color dynamic range is very accurate with the Air 3. The same when we look the footage from DJI Mini 4 Pro, when we zoom it up to 400%, we see some kind of a noise and grains in the video, but still the video quality is not much noticeable guys when you see parallelly. The color difference that you see on the screen can be managed in post-processing, but if you take a close look at the dynamic range of both of these footages, then DJI Air 3 seems to have a better dynamic range in its footage than compared to DJI Mini 4 Pro. And also when we talk about the sharpness, DJI Air 3 has a better sharpness in its video when compared to DJI Mini 4 Pro. So guys, overall video quality in the night is better on DJI Air 3, but if you are a big fan of portrait videos, then you should go with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, because with the DJI Mini 4 Pro you are capturing the actual 4K video in portrait, but in Air 3 you are going to get it as a 2.7K video.